I see a Subaru right here, and I know what I saw. Just, it's out of eyesight right now, but when I was on the other side of the hill, I saw what I saw. And my eyes are usually pretty honest with me. Whoa. I can't believe what he said this morning. He goes, oh yeah, we got some for you. I was like, what? I wasn't expecting that. I was like, maybe he has a few. Yeah, he's got, oh my God, I see one. Oh, woo! This is a good day. Wow. I mean, out of all the places in the country, I end up just, pretty close to this place, and he has them. Wow. And then, like, when I was working on the Mustang, he had, he didn't have many, but he had enough where I could make it happen. That is an 87, I think. So hopefully there's some lights on that one. But here are the Brats. Just a couple. So this one's an earlier model. There's a lot. Oh, man, I'm gonna get poison ivy today. This sucks. Ugh, this sucks. All right, we got a Subaru Brat. One here, and then one right here. Wow, and the wheels are actually in pretty good shape. Some trim. I thought I saw another one. Just these two? Wow. Wow, this one's in pretty good shape too, man. Oh my goodness, please have some tail lights. Tail lights, tail lights. Damn it, the tail light's broken. That sucks. Can I use that one? Oh look, the seat cover, the same seat covers. The keys are still in the ignition. I'm trying to think if I need anything inside. I don't think I need anything from inside. But I mean, shit, at least I know. I need like trim, more trim. Now I'd like to take a look at the, oh, here we go. I need these. We'll keep these for later. I'll hide them. I need two of them. I'm gonna go to a different motor. Different wheels down the road. So I might not need them, but if I decide not to do that, let's just take a look. There's one back here. That's in good shape. Ah, it's gone. The tail lights are gone. Oh yeah, let's take a look down below here. It's awesome. The wheels are actually good shape. But dude, what a... He's got two of them, man. This is crazy. Oh, I don't want to get poison ivy today. And I knew it. Oh, look at the side step. That's pretty cool. Mine doesn't have it. Let's see what we're dealing with here. I'm gonna try to put the camera. I might need to go on the other side. You guys probably can't see anything. I'm sorry. I'm still learning how to do all the YouTubes. It's peeking right now. I should have bought my headlamp. That would have been a good idea. Yeah, that part looks pretty good, dude. This piece right here looks in pretty good shape. Yeah. All right, well, that's good to see. Okay. So I think the early Brats work too. The parts from it. Let's see what I can do here. What's nice when I start coming out here in the winter, all these awful plants will be gone. Well, the good thing is it's here, so let me hide these, stash them. Yeah, at least I know they're here, and we have plenty of old Subarus, so I do some more research on what I can use. And let's see if there's any Liberties here. Put those right there for now. We got some old Mountain Dews. Cool. Dude, how awesome is that? Let's see what he has in the engine bay. Maybe there's something good in here. Damn. I'm sorry for the terrible cinematography. Is that what it is? Wow, you got the ridge. Wow, that's actually a good find right here. The ooh, there's a light here. Oh, this one has more stuff. Damn, this thing is in good shape, dude. Look at that. Oh, the distributor's in good shape too. Pretty good shape. Yeah, so that's the AC compressor, I think. That's gotta be. And then we have a fresh light right here. Is it broken? No. That's a good find. The coil looks kind of old still. Oh, the head, the cover, the valve covers are off. Well, at least I can look at it right now and see what I'm looking at. Okay. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, man. Well, we got this. So, yeah, I could swap out the other one for this, clean it up. Oh, air filter. I need to get an air filter today. Dude, this thing's in pretty good shape, man. That's pretty cool. Let's close it up. I want to keep this in good shape. Let's get it over the throttle. Or sorry, the throttle. The throat of the choke here. So put it back on. Close it up nice. Yeah, this thing is sweet, dude. Yeah, that's awesome. I think that cover is beautiful. There's a valve. Oh, yeah, I got extra valve covers I needed. I don't know what went there. But dude, we got parts, man. Yeah, if I need stuff, I know where to come, baby. Oops, what's that? Something there? Oh, the light. Let's not wreck the light. What I could do is put this on my head. All right. Let's hide this light for next time. Yeah, dude. I keep forgetting it doesn't close. Hey, another one. Sweet. All right. I'll keep it right here for now. That's fine. And I'll put it all together. We got seat covers. Those seats are probably money too. So if I need seats, well, I don't need seats actually. We're good. The ones I have are perfect. That sucks. Oh, it's locked up. Oh, those seats are sick. I love those seats. The plaid. Those ones are pretty cool. I can feel my legs have probably gotten... Dude, these seats are wicked. Is it open? Oh my God, I love these seats. Yes. Oh, it's got a tear in it. Dude, look at this thing. Oh my God, it's so old and awesome. Get these upholstered, upholstered. Wow, look at this. Got the original manuals and stuff, dude. Owner's information kit. This could be handy. Got the title right there. This thing is like, well, come off. This could be good to have. What's this? Owners. Yeah, dude, this is actually kind of valuable. What do we got here? Still wet? What is this? Oh, it's like state stuff. Limited warranty, Subaru, what is this? Brat. Wow, another owner's manual. Dude, this is nice to have. We will keep you here. Let's put it underneath the seat. If it fits. I like this. So cool. Dude, this wood, that is nice. Wow, that is so cool. Oh my goodness. Bush, baby. Look at that old Bush can. Brat. Where is the four-wheel drive? Oh, it's right there. That's cool. The shifter is right up there. Right underneath the dash. What do I want to look at? Oh yeah, I want to look at this. See how bad. That's pretty bad. It's like common areas. But I could buy, yeah, I can get new of these. I can cut these hooks out. How are the frame hooks actually? That'd be a good thing to look for. Pretty bad. This is actually a pretty good view right here, actually. I gotta take the camera off because it's gonna fall. Oh, that cross member looks really good. It's like that tank looks actually in good shape too, kinda. All right, well, when it comes time to do it, I'll ask him, like, hey man, if I want to get some like stuff off this thing, cut it out, can we pull it down to your shop and get it, and I'll pay you? I bet he'd be down.